Well, that's what we're talking about today. At home, clinical grade alternatives that really work. Like really, for real. Hey friends, if you're new here, let me introduce myself. Hi, my name is Mary. I'm a 45-year-old working mom who loves to do YouTube videos. I talk about things like beauty, saving money, making money, side hustles, all that kind of fun stuff. So if that's what you're into, you know the deal. Hit the like, hit the subscribe button below, and let's get into it. First things first, ladies, let's talk Botox. So a lot of gals love to go and get their Botox treatments at the spa, right? For a lot of very obvious reasons. It helps with things like fine lines and wrinkles. It also gives you like a little bit of a boost for a while, kind of makes your skin look really like plump and shiny. Probably helps a little bit with like stopping some of the collagen breakdown that can happen over time. But it's freaking expensive. If you look back at some of my other videos on my channel, you'll see that like I have gotten Botox in the past. It has gotten very expensive over the years. And so I did do a video on how to save money if you still want to go that route. However, there are definitely some things that you can do at home using some newer devices that are going to give you the same results as Botox, just in a different way. One of the best things that you can do to sort of mimic the look and the effect of Botox is to make sure that you've got really great collagen happening, that you're stimulating collagen. Now, people do this in a lot of different ways. Sometimes you'll see supplements that people will take, but one of the other things that people do is red light therapy. And while today we're talking about it from like a beauty kind of perspective, a lot of people use red light therapy for many different things like full body circulation, full body healing. A lot of people that have autoimmune diseases and such, they love to use red light therapy, but we're gonna talk about it from more of the beauty perspective today. So red light therapy can definitely help stimulate collagen. It can help with fine lines and wrinkles and overall help improve your skin texture. One of the products that can specifically help in terms of giving you some red light therapy in all the places that you want it is this Inia face mask. If you haven't seen this mask on the market, I think you're living under a rock. Like, they've been everywhere. There's all different kinds, different varieties, a lot of different price points as well, and like different features and benefits. But this is a red light therapy mask, which can help boost collagen when you wear it and use it daily. This mask in particular by Inia, I really like for a few very specific reasons. So number one, very budget friendly, but still gives you all the high-end results. It's got the technology behind it, gives you all the different wavelengths, but it comes in at like a little over $100. And if you use my link and my code below, first of all, I would love you if you would do that. But you can get an extra $20 off. So we're all about budget-friendly things that you can do at home, but still getting those great clinical results. So use the code, use the link, and you are going to get an extra $20 off, which is amazing. But this mask in particular, so you can see it's got a lot of light coverage here, right? Can you see that? It also comes with these little eye shields, and you just pop them in. That way when you're wearing the mask, you're not blinding yourself with the light. See? It kind of reminds me of when, if you ever went tanning back in the day and you had those little goggles, these little eye shields will do the same thing. They shield that light from your eyes, which I particularly like because my eyes are just kind of sensitive. Okay, I'm just gonna put this thing on for you so you can just like see it. It's so fun. Okay, so it goes like this. You Velcro it on in the back. You look a little crazy, but that's okay. I look so crazy right now, but we're gonna continue. It comes with not one, but two chargers, wireless chargers, mind you. The charger just clicks onto the side here. It's magnetic. Aside from the fact that this is like clinical grade technology here, one of my favorite parts about this is that it has multi-purpose use. So you not only get the red light, you get the blue light, you get like a yellowish light that helps with discoloration, and you get purple light, which is an awesome mix of the red and the blue. When we look at the cost comparisons of some of the other products that are on the market, and these are the ones that are available, right, like over the counter for home use, the Inia mask really is an awesome, affordable option for you, and it definitely kicks the butt of any of those in-spa services. Those can run in the thousands of dollars for red light therapy. So use the code, use the link below, get yourself an extra 20 bucks off, give it a go. Let me know how you like it. Next up is at-home microcurrent devices. Now, if you've never seen these, it's almost kind of like those TENS devices that sometimes people, like physical therapists, will use on injured muscles or things to kind of like stimulate the muscle and the blood flow. And you kind of like see the muscles twitch when they hook it up. Well, just imagine that for your face, right? Your face has muscles in it and you want to exercise them. Now, typically if you go to a spa for any sort of like microcurrent type of service, they generally sell it to you in a package because they'll want you to come back for like multiple sessions. Then oftentimes it's kind of like bundled into another spa service, like a facial. Like that's something where they'll definitely kind of like bundle them all together. Bundles that I've seen, I mean, on the low end are usually like 5 to 10 sessions, and they'll go anywhere from like $1,500 to $3,500 depending on what you get. But nonetheless, like that's freaking expensive. Like I don't have $1,500 laying around. I highly suspect that a lot of other people out there don't have $1,500 laying around either to do that kind of stuff. But lucky for us, there's a lot of new at-home devices on the market that you can use on your own time, much more affordable, and will give you the same type of results with all these new microcurrent tools. NuFace, Nira, Zip, and Inia all have some really great microcurrent tools, very budget friendly, and depending on what you want, there's kind of like something for everybody, right? And you can use it at home whenever you want, so it's super flexible. These are a great alternative to going into your MedSpa for those types of services. Next up is laser hair removal, and let me tell you, that stuff's expensive. Laser hair removal can cost thousands of dollars. I'm telling you, it's $150 per visit. And they may say that it's gonna take 5 to 10 visits. Girl, double it, okay? Because unless you have very fine hair and you're only doing a small patch, it's gonna take you a lot of visits. So if you don't wanna be hairy, but you also don't have like thousands of dollars and a lot of time, like honestly, it's a lot of time to go to a spa or a clinic to get this stuff done, might I put you onto some at-home devices? Some of the hottest devices that are consistently talked about, recommended by Women's Health magazine, as well as recommended by Elle and Allure, are devices like the Braun laser home hair removal product. Nude is another one. Ulike and Dermrace is often talked about. What I would tell you though, when it comes to at-home hair removal, these IPL type of devices, is you really kind of need to know a little bit more about your own hair type, the coarseness, the thickness, the color, to make sure you get the right type of product that's going to work for you. For instance, these products generally work on hair that is a little bit darker and skin that is a little bit lighter or medium toned, and that's just because of the wavelengths that they use in these devices. So if you have very blonde hair, you're probably gonna have to go the electrolysis route, and that's a whole separate conversation. But when it comes to at-home kind of like hair removal devices, you've got some really good options. And while in the spa it's gonna cost you thousands, seriously, thousands of dollars and double the visits, at home, you can get something for under $500 and you can use it for years. Finally, let's talk chemical peels. Chemical peels, like everything else in this video, can cost you thousands of dollars. I will put some quotes up here on the screen. I live in the Nashville area. I'm also from the Midwest, so I kind of have an idea of how much these things cost, but chemical peels are definitely in the thousands. And also it's like a multi-visit type of thing. So it's typically not a one and done, although I guess it could be. They're usually multi-visits and they add up. Now, when we talk about chemical peels and why might somebody want to put a chemical on their face and peel their skin off? Generally, us ladies look into it because we've got some sort of discoloration. We've got maybe acne scarring or pitting. And the combination of a chemical peel and tretinoin is unmatched. It will resurface your skin, it will lighten and brighten it, it will even the skin texture, meaning it will literally slaw off some of that discoloration. Side note, if you want tretinoin on a budget, I have a video I posted last week. If you're interested in giving it a go online, this is the peel that I have recently purchased. I have not tried this one yet. I'll get into that in a second, but this is from Platinum Skincare. They have all different kinds of peels online. This is all like clinical skincare grade. Again, please be careful. You can permanently kind of scar and damage yourself if you don't know what you're doing. But for us who like to live on the edge, this is where I got my peel from. And this is a 13 TCA peel. I'm actually not gonna use this one. I will talk about this other product in a second. This, I just feel like it's a little bit stronger than what I need right now. They have different strengths available. Always start with the lightest. Also, only do a chemical peel. I would recommend in the winter months, I was a goofball and I was really excited to try this, and I purchased it at the beginning of summer. So it's been sitting in the package. It's gonna sit in the package for a little bit, but you can get all sorts of different types of peels online at Platinum Skincare. I'll put a link below. So many freaking options. Now, if that freaks you out a little bit, but you still kind of want to try a little bit of like chemical-like skin peel stuff at home, might I put you onto this product by The Ordinary? You can tell, like, I've used a ton of this stuff. What is this thing? This is their AHA 30%, BHA 2% peeling solution. It looks like blood when you put it on your face. So it's kind of fun to freak the kids out, which I enjoy doing every now and then. But this one, it's gentle enough where like you can put it on for a minute or two, you're gonna feel the tingle. If it freaks you out, wash it off with water right away. You don't need any sort of like neutralizing solution. You just wash it off. You can leave it on for a few minutes longer if you want to. And at the end of it, when you're done, it's almost kind of like a chemical exfoliation. Your skin's gonna be lighter and brighter. And I really just feel like you can use this before you go the big route on like the clinical chemical peels. But if you wanna go big time, there it is. This stuff's probably gonna run you between $10 and $15 at Target. I hope you liked this video and you found some really good valuable information on how to get clinical spa-like results at home for a fraction of the price with really great products that deliver results. As always, would love it if you would like and subscribe to my channel. And until next time, see ya.